Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya Sahrul Idrus dari Medan, Sumatera Utara, Indonesia.
The question posed about Ruqya. That what Ruqya is haram or halal? What Ruqya is haram or halal? So as Ruqya means healing, and as far as healing is concerned but natural, you go to a doctor, he is a doctor, he heals you. And in Islam, there is also an Islamic way of healing, that is Ruqya. And the Quran says that the Quran is a healing for mankind. In Surah Isra, chapter number 17, verse number 81. It's a healing. As far as if you're talking about one is going to a medical doctor who's expert in his field, he may be allopathy, he may be homeopathy, he may be Unani medicine. If you go to a specialist doctor and he heals you, as long as the healing, the medicine he gives you is not against the Sharia, you can have it. But if the doctor may not be aware of Sharia, and if he does something against the Sharia, then you can avoid. For example, normally alcohol is haram. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 90, Ya alladhina amanu innamal khamru wal maisuru wal anzabu wal aslamu rijsun min amali shaitan fajtanibu la'allakum tuflihun. Oh, you believe, most certainly intoxicants and gambling, dedication of stone, divination of arrows, these are Satan's handiwork, abstain from it that you may prosper. So now, if you have a cough, normally they give you cough syrup. In the cough syrup there is alcohol. It's common that medical doctors give alcohol, so you need not take alcohol because this cough is a minor problem. It's not going to take your life. So there are other treatments. So if he gives you something of alcohol and you know it's alcohol, you should not take it. Allah gives permission in Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5 verse number 3, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 172, in Surah Anam chapter number 6 verse number 145, and Surah Nahl chapter number 16 verse number 115, that unwillingly if you disobey Allah, unwillingly, if your life is in danger, then Allah gives you permission. If your life is in danger and if certain thing is given to you, for example, if you're dying of hunger and you're on a boat for many days, for many weeks, and there's no food, and the only food you have is pork. So at that time, because you're dying of hunger for several days, and there's no food except pork, so for that time, pork becomes permitted. The moment you come on the shore, again pork becomes haram. So if there are certain medicines or drugs, which is the only medicine that can save your life, at that time, unwillingly, if you disobey Allah, Allah is Rahman Rahim. This is talking about other doctors. Now coming to your main question about Ruqya, there are people who Ruqya like, they recite the verses of the Quran. Now what we find in the Ummah, that there is a treatment which you can recite verses of the Quran and cure, but everyone is not a specialist. You have many people in the Muslim Ummah, unfortunately, who in the name of Ruqya, they do things which are against the Sharia. They break the Sharia. They may do things which are wrong. Like you have men doing Ruqya of women catching the hand, etc. It's not allowed. You cannot touch a Haram. Then you have something like Taweez, amulet. They tie the verse of the Quran and put it onto your neck and then say this will heal you. Yes, in Quran there is healing, recitation. So when you do Ruqya, you should do it according to the Quran and Sahih Hadith. So there are, mashallah, specialists in Ruqya who recite the verses of the Quran, and they are specialists, and there are various verses recited like the Mu'awwidhatayn, the last two surahs of the Quran, Surah Falaq and Surah Nas. They are known as Mu'awwidhatayn, were revealed for healing. And there are many other verses of the Quran. So if you have particular type of diseases, if you go to a specialist, he may be more well versed on which verses to recite, how much to recite, how to recite. So Ruqya of two types. One is if it's based on the Sharia, Quran and Sahih Hadith, it is correct. If it is breaking the rules of Sharia, the Quran and the Hadith, then it is wrong. Hope that answers the question.